There are things in your home you're supposed to replace regularly that most people completely forget about. Hey, it's Miranda with Simply Filters, and some of these might surprise you. Let's start with pillows. If you've had yours for years, it's probably holding onto dust, oils, and allergens, even if it looks clean. Most pillows should be replaced every 1 to 2 years. Next, your toothbrush head. Whether it's manual or electric, those bristles wear down over time and stop cleaning effectively. Every 3 months is a general rule, but most people go way longer. Now, let's talk about air filters. This is a big one. Your air filter is constantly trapping dust, pollen, and debris from your home. But once it's full, it can't do its job, and everything just keeps circulating. Depending on your home, that could be every 1 to 3 months. Another one people forget: smoke detector batteries. A lot of people wait until that annoying chirp sound, but by then, it's already low. A good habit is checking or replacing them twice a year. And here's one that's easy to overlook: makeup products. Things like mascara and liquid products don't last forever, and using them too long can actually lead to irritation or breakouts. None of this is about being perfect. It's just about being aware. Because when you stay on top of the small things, your home feels cleaner, healthier, and just better overall. If you had to guess, what's one thing in your home that's probably overdue for a replacement? Let me know below.